Hello everyone, in this video we are converting from order basis to base 10. Convert 153 base 7 to base 10. Solutions 153 0 1 2 1 times 7 power 2 plus 5 times 7 power 1 plus 3 times 7 power 0. 1 times 49 plus 5 times 7 plus 3 times 1. 49 plus 35 plus 3 equals to 87 base 10. Convert 210 base 8 to base 10. Solution 210 have 0, 1, 2. 2 times 8 power 2 plus 1 times 8 power 1 plus 0 times 8 power 0. 2 times 64 plus 1 times 8 plus 1 times 8 plus 0 times 1. 128 plus 8 plus 0 equals to 136 base 10. Convert 10 5 to 4 base 6 to base 10. Solution 1 0 5 2 4 0 1 2 3 4. 1 times 6 power 4 plus 0 times 6 power 3 plus 5 times 6 power 2 plus 2 times 6 power 1 plus 4 times 6 power 0. 1 times 1296 plus 0 times 2 6 plus 5 times 36 plus 2 times 6 plus 4 plus 4 times 1. 126 1296 plus 0 plus 180 plus 12 plus 4 equals to 1 4 9, 2 is 10. Convert 10 base 3 to base 10. Solution 10, 10, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 times 3 power 3 plus 0 times 3 power 2 plus 1 times 3 power 1 plus 0 times 3 power 0. 1 times 27 plus 0 times 9 plus 1 times 3 plus 0 times 1. 27 plus 0 plus 3 plus 0 equals to 30 base 10. Thank you for watching.